There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of wind. So what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can see, we're out in Copart. So sorry about the wind. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of wind. So next on my list, it is this. What was this? 2007 Mazda RX. Looks like a solid vehicle. There's no damage on the exterior. Tires look okay. They're not perfect, but they should last you for a while. We have leather seats. We have navigation system. We have the keyless entry system with the warm seats, or seat warmers, I should say. It's a 5-passenger vehicle. It comes with a Bose system. So it looks up a good, reliable vehicle. We have it on our list for buy now price of $950. The issue is that they don't have a key. It has 183,000 miles and no key, which makes me suspicious. I've been burned before, and I don't want to get burned again. So this one, it's a no-go. We're staying out of this one. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so we're on the hunt for a Mini Cooper. Mini Cooper. That's what we're looking for. So, I don't know what it is. Okay, you guys, I found the Mini. It starts. It's in rough shape. It's got leather seats, power windows. Just what you expect on the Mini. The hood opens. You have your tools for a spare tire change. I don't know if you have one. The car's on. You have your sunroof. Oh snap, it works. It works. But what doesn't work is the transmission. Put them on reverse. Nothing happens. Put them on drive. Nothing happens. So it's a buy now for $900, and frankly, I don't think it's worth it. So this one's a no-go. One last rev. We find the red limiter at 3,000. Fun little car, but no go. Bye, Mini. Maybe somebody wants you, but not me. Alright, you guys, this is a 2009 Lincoln MKS. I was really interested in buying this car today. It had a buy now price of $2,500. A bit dirty, leather seats, very normal Lincoln interior with the moonroof. Like I said, I really wanted to buy $2,500 for this car, or make an offer, but I checked the engine. There is no oil. The car says that it had frame damage, so I was thinking maybe a little something not too bad, but here's the damage. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a lot of oil on the pan that I can see from far away, so I don't know how big of a damage it is. I do know that the key is not working, and that this car had a previous auction somewhere else. It doesn't say that it runs or starts, and like I said before, I've been burned and I don't want to get burned again, so I'm staying away from this one. This one is a no-go. Right, guys, here we got a 2017 BMW. What is this? 330. It took a massive hit to the front. Massive. Part of the engine seems to be okay. Looks like the damage was on the frame supports. Both of them, you can see how it was pushed this way. See this? These were supposed to be straight. They're not. It maybe looks like he hit a wall or something. Interior. Whoa, what was that? Pretty standard for a BMW. Nothing out of the ordinary. You got your paddle shifters, Bluetooth, all the goodies, and this screen goes up and down. We got a headlight on the back. What sucks about the BMWs is once one of the seat belts, whoa, they didn't go bad. I thought they were bad. Well, this one's bad. This one's fine. It has 17,000 miles. Oh, there you go. If you buy it, you get all the spare parts right here. You can rebuild it. Nah. Nope. Not for me. Check this out. Beautiful. 330 GT. Let's keep moving. Check this one out, you guys. 2018 Jeep Rubicon with 385 miles. 385 miles. Are you kidding me? To the naked eye, there's nothing wrong with this car. Nothing. Suspension looks good. I already checked it. Suspension looks good. Tires are brand spanking new. Check out the interior. Look. Beautiful. Beautiful. You got the T-tops. that you can take off. See that? What's wrong with this car? Well, that's a clue. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this Jeep. Let's go see what the damage is. Whoa. What's this? Oh. What in the world? What's that? What's this? Oh, I know what happened. They got pushed in with something. He got rear-ended. Ever so slightly, I guess. I don't know. Look at this. That's nothing. They totaled the car for this? A 2018? What? That's minimum. You can just pull it and re-weld it and you'll be done with it. This one's got a price right now on bids for $8,000. Are you kidding me? Look at this one, guys. 2017 Ford Focus with undercarriage damage, big wheels, tinted windows. It's a non-start, non-run vehicle. It's pretty clean. He had the Sony sound system. The knee airbag blew out. Oh, well, that's your problem. The whole engine came off. Wow. I never seen something like that before. It must have hit something really, really hard to get the engine off of its axis. Suavecito. Wow, look at this one. Nissan Versa. Completely mangled. Complete destruction of this little vehicle. Wow. I wish they came out alright. The back looks pretty good. Took a vicious hit. Alright, you guys, we got a Prius. 2017 Toyota Prius. Looks like a rollover. It hit something on the side and it flipped over. Wow. You can still open the door. Imagine flipping over and staring at this. It's scary. Uh-oh, we got blood. We got blood. Let's get out of here. Bio. Oh, I should have looked at that first. I should have looked at this first. 16,000 miles. Wow. You know, I gotta give it to you to the Toyotas, you know? You got a rollover collision. The roof caved in, but the door still opens. Very safe car. I guarantee you, these people walked away. Few scratches and bumps, but they walked away. Good job, Toyota. Good job. Wow, look at this one. 2007 Mercedes E350. I thought the other one was bad. What kind of force to rip the engine off? Engine sitting right here, and the transmission, it's right here. That's the transmission right there. Wow, amazing. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I just don't know what to say. I just hope that whoever was sitting in the car came out alright. Well, I kinda got an idea what happened. I think that's had something to do with it. Don't you think? Man. Man, oh man. Well, let's keep looking. Check out this beauty. 2012 Jaguar F-Type. I can see some damage right here. It looks like he hit something on the road because the rim is toast. The tires pushed back in. 20,000 miles. The rim also, this one it's damaged right here. No other damage that I can see. Let's check out the interior. Beautiful, beautiful car. It's a two-seater. I don't know if I can fit. I'll try. It's a tight fit. Tight fit. It's got the moonroof. Oh, it's part of moonroof, I guess. Jaguar on there. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. Alright guys, so the terrible disappointment, we're gonna end the video today. But don't worry about it, next week we're gonna go and make another one. We're gonna go in a little bit earlier, so that hopefully this doesn't happen again. So until next one, stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. What are you listening to? We gone, guys.